Hi, my name is Nano and I'm a caffeinated human and store leader at 787 Coffee. How to make an iced latte. Start by brewing 1 to 2 shots of espresso using your espresso machine. Set the espresso aside and let it cool down. In a separate container, heat up the milk until it's hot but not boiling. Froth the milk using a milk frother or whisk until it has a creamy texture and consistency. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the cold espresso shot over the ice cubes and the froth milk to the glass and stir gently. If desired, add sweeteners such as vanilla syrup or honey for added flavor. Enjoy your homemade iced latte, perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide, courtesy of 787 Coffee. A from farm to cup experience, sustainable growing process, roasted to perfection and brewed with passion and love.